Seoul, July 5, 2025. The Seoul Central District Court on Friday, July 4, 2025, officially pushed for mediation efforts between two BTS members, Jungkook and Kim Taehyung, with a controversial YouTuber known as Sojang. This mediation was filed as part of the legal process for a defamation lawsuit that the plaintiff had filed against the content uploaded by Sojang on his YouTube channel. The lawsuit relates to a number of videos that were deemed to spread false information, attack personal reputation, and are considered a form of violation of Jungkook and V's privacy rights. The legal representative of the HYBE Labels agency previously confirmed that this legal step was taken in response to the spread of harmful and unfounded content. According to a statement from the court, mediation is expected to be a solution before the case goes to the open trial stage. Discussions between the two sides are likely to take place directly before the court in the near future, with a mediator formally appointed by the court. However, until now there has been no public statement from YouTuber Sojang regarding readiness to participate in the mediation process. The court will review the continuation of the case based on the results of the mediation scheduled in the next few weeks. The case is one of several lawsuits filed by HYBE against online content creators, as part of an effort to protect their artists from the spread of false and defamatory information on social media. The mediation process is part of South Korea's legal system that allows settlement of civil disputes without going through a full trial, in order to save time, costs, and reduce the burden on the courts. However, if the two parties do not reach an agreement, the case will proceed to an evidentiary hearing in open court. The legal action taken by Jungkook and V highlights growing concern in the Korean entertainment industry over the spread of negative content and personal attacks by anonymous accounts and hype-seeking content creators. In recent years, a number of celebrities have taken legal avenues to protect themselves from defamation, cyberbullying, and the spread of unfounded rumors. HYBE Labels, as the agency that houses BTS, previously stated its commitment to continue monitoring and cracking down on content that violates the legal rights of their artists. In its latest report, HYBE affirms that it will take uncompromising legal action against individuals or groups that spread false information. Meanwhile, public attention is now focused on the results of the mediation between the parties, the results of which could set an important precedent in the handling of defamation cases in the digital sphere. If mediation is successful, then both sides could potentially reach an amicable settlement without the need for further proceedings. The court is scheduled to provide a formal update on the outcome of the mediation in mid-July 2025. If mediation fails, the legal process will proceed to the proof stage, where both parties will be required to submit evidence and present witnesses before a panel of judges. In defamation cases involving public figures, the burden of proof is critical to determine whether the statements disseminated contain malicious intent, are defamatory in nature, or have harmed the reputation. Legally, Korean legal observers said that the case has the potential to be an important momentum in enforcing legal protection for celebrities against the spread of rumors in digital media. Many in the entertainment industry look forward to the end result as a benchmark for firmer legal protections against defamation in the age of social media and video sharing platforms. YouTuber Sojang has been in the spotlight several times for controversial posts targeting Korean celebrities, including K-pop idols. However, until this news was revealed, there had been no official apology or statement from Sojang regarding the lawsuit filed by Jungkook and V. The case also opened a wide discussion among the public about the boundary between freedom of expression and the dissemination of harmful information. Many fans, especially ARMY, BTS's fandom, support the legal steps taken by the members to protect their rights as individuals. The Seoul Central District Court is scheduled to deliver the preliminary results of the mediation within the next 2 to 3 weeks. This process will take place behind closed doors in order to maintain the confidentiality of the contents of the negotiations between the parties. The impact of this case is not only felt by the parties directly involved, but also gives a strong signal to content creators, online media, and internet users in South Korea and globally. In recent years, the misuse of digital platforms to spread rumors, one-sided accusations, and speculative content has become a serious issue that sparks the attention of the public and policymakers. The South Korean government, through its Ministry of Gender Equality and Family and the Korea Communications Commission, has proposed a number of initiatives to tighten scrutiny of harmful online content, including those attacking public figures' reputations. The cases of Jungkook and V against Sojang are considered to encourage the acceleration of the policy. On the other hand, fan organizations and online communities are also starting to increase education on digital ethics, media literacy, and the importance of verifying information before spreading it. A number of ARMY communities at home and abroad have even launched anti-hoax and anti-cyberbullying campaigns as a form of support for their artists. If the mediation suggested by the court is effective and results in an agreement, then this can be an important example that a legal settlement can occur peacefully but still firmly in upholding justice.